Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I achieved this heart-shaped mime look. And yeah, anyways, stick around if you want to see how I achieved this look. This look is inspired by Manal. Her @ is MANAL, and I actually saw her create this look before I did it in 2018. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell button down below so you get notifications whenever I post new content. Comment down below what other Halloween tutorials or just makeup tutorials you want to see from me. Let me know what videos you want and I'll be glad to give them to you. So yeah. And I'm extra excited because today I'm going to be using my CC Beauty professional face and body paint. Proper tools to do everything. Okay, so first off, I'm going to start with my brow pencil, and I'm just going to lightly trace a heart shape with it. Okay, so now that I have like a little outline going, I'm going to take the white color and just fill that in all over my face. Okay, so for my brow area, I just kind of sculpted around where my natural brow shape is so I can fill that in later with the black pigment. And now with my beauty blender, I'm just kind of smoothing everything out so there's no harsh lines where the paint strokes are. I am going to go around the heart with just some foundation. So I'm going to be using my Black Radiance foundation stick in the color Cashmere. And I'm just going to get some color around my face to even out everything. Another flat brush, or like a smaller one, just to kind of sculpt the line some with the foundation. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little damp beauty blender and just smooth it out. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance palette, and I'm just going to set my face around it with the middle, the center color. I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use the color Spooky. I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix Spooky and I think this color is called Benny. I'm gonna mix those and just like shade around the corners to give it some definition. Okay, now for brows, I'm just going to use the black in here and just go in with my brows with another little round flat tip. And I actually got both the palette and my brushes off of Amazon. And now on this part, I'm just going in and filling in my lips with the same black color. And I'm also including the red color in the center of my lips. Just kind of mix all the burgundies and browns together on a brush and have that on the center of everything. Just kind of messy too. With the brush I did the shading with around my face and just go on my lash line. And for this one, I'm going to be doing top and bottom lashes. So for my top lashes, I'm going to be going in with Lash Bar LA lashes in the style Boss Babe. And for bottom lashes, I'm just going to go in with Ardell lashes in the style Natural. And I'm actually going to cut these so I can just like have it right here and stack them too. And for blush, I'm just going to use the same colors I did on my lid, like just to mix all the red, orange, burgundy colors and just do that on my cheeks with the eyeshadows. I have some suspenders I'm going to put on and a beret. So I'll be right back with the completed look. Final look. I just put on my beret, literally one earring because like, who got time? And some suspenders with my little white turtleneck. Honestly, you can do this like any color you want, but this is just a recreation of what I did in 2018. I actually did go in and just add like a little curl to my hair. Nothing too crazy, just something to give it a little more oomph, you know?